Changing our house to 4 different themes a year? Well, I know someone who does it professionally, and today we are going to check out her place. Let's go. Hi everyone! Me and my friend Juliana and a proud owner of this beautiful home.
So initially, this is a home that I rented with my husband, then boyfriend. And then eventually he proposed to me in this house and we got married. We even did our wedding photos here. When we got married, we decided that, we want to plant our roots. We need a real home. We need to buy our own house. One of the homes we shortlisted that we really actually like is this building opposite us. I remember me and my husband, we were really excited, but then when we were doing the viewing, they had this little balcony, this porch that we could look out, and so you can actually see this building. We just look out and see this home that we used to live in. So much memories, so much sentimental value. We decided to approach our landlord to see if he's interested in selling the house. Yeah, lo and behold, he says okay. And he gave us a pretty good rate, so we bought this house.
All stars aligned.
The landlord has always used this as a rental home. We were lucky in that sense because everything is movable, so it's very easy to remove everything, demolish stuff. We just got inspired by everything we enjoyed in our relationship. We went to Bali, we went to the Maldives for our honeymoon. All the rooms are actually inspired by all these experiences. So as you walk through, it's kind of like a walk down memory lane, that kind of thing.
We cannot disclose too much because we're going to take them on a tour later. And everyone is so excited hearing each room has a different theme already. So why not you show us around then?
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm so excited to tour your home, but first up, we need to start with the living room.
It is actually inspired by Coco Chanel. She actually stayed in the Ritz-Carlton for many years. Ritz-Carlton actually named that suite after her because she started to personalize the whole space. So the main thing that she did was the very modern Edwardian furniture and also the wainscoting. When I showed the picture to my ID, this was what he came up with. So when me and my husband were dating, one thing that we look forward to every weekend is to sit there, just enjoy McDonald's and watching Gossip Girl. One of my birthdays, he actually surprised me with this artwork. Yay! So that was actually before the renovation. When we were renovating this, we showed all these things that we already have to the ID, and this was what he came up with. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. And then also my husband is like a huge movie fan, so we wanted to recreate a gold class experience at home. He installed 7 speakers here to create the Dolby Atmos atmosphere. These sofas are also reclinable. There's a button that you click and then recline like the Gold Plus one.
Juliana, I have a curious question. So where are your rooms?
Let me show you. Ta-da!
Oh, this is like Chronicles of Narnia.
Wow! Welcome to the first room, and this is actually our home office / my girl cave.
Wow! It's like your house is full of different themes, but inside this room there are multiple smaller themes.
Yeah, it's Team Juliana. So I'm a huge Disney fan actually. I'm not sure if you can tell.
I totally can tell, Juliana. The whole compartment here is for Disney.
And recently I started watching Mandalorian.
Oh my god, so cute! Is this touchable?
Yes. It's a Christmas ornament actually. So during Christmas, this will go on the Christmas tree. Just a fun fact, I do switch up my room quite a lot. So right now it's an olive tree. During Christmas, this turns into a Christmas tree actually. So this little ornament goes on there.
Oh!
Yeah. This is actually my wedding bouquet. My wedding was themed Disney.
Totally.
And then next we have one of my favorites of this corner, and it's that 3 Buddha heads that we got during our first trip to Bali. I thought they looked very zen, very calming. So
And the colors so unique.
Here are some Disney toys.
And I guess your wedding theme is mainly the Beauty and the Beast.
Yes, Beauty and the Beast. Me and my husband dressed as Beauty and the Beast. Me Beauty lah, and the Beast at the weddings. This is actually our wedding guest book. So Beauty and the Beast is actually set in France. And then you know that famous lock bridge, the Pont des Arts lock bridge? Yeah. So we actually took our wedding photos there as well. And we wanted to recreate that at the wedding. So what we did was we created this blank canvas. Guests can actually write their well wishes.
Oh, and lock it there.
Yeah, lock it themselves. I always wanted a reading nook My husband was the one who actually designed this.
Wow.
Yeah, he came up with this arch idea and then decided that we can put this in here. So I already have this pair of gold wings and this. He's like, let's do it this way so there's some kind of symmetry also. The designer himself had other ideas. His initial idea was to put a shelf right in the middle and separate this space. Workspace here, sofa here. And then we just thought breaking it up wouldn't make it look grand. He proposed this to the designer and I think it's a great idea. Very IG-friendly corner for me to take photos.
Bookings for this room? Maybe I can.
Yeah, let me know again. Welcome to my bedroom.
Wow.
Yeah, this is inspired by Hard Rock Hotel. The colors, the theming, the guitar is everything paying homage to that hotel. Also to like remind us of our first staycation together.
No wonder you don't need staycations anymore. It's like you have your own room here, your own version of Hard Rock Hotel.
Let me show you around. So this way, please.
More Narnia adventures?
Not really. My very own Hollywood glam makeup vanity area. I've been dreaming of this since I was a kid. I was so into Marilyn Monroe. Do you realize the lights are actually screwed into the mirror directly?
Oh!
I wanted it to look like a jewelry boutique. Welcome to our spa sanctuary.
Oh my gosh, you have a bathtub?
Yes, it's not just any bathtub. So I asked my husband, can we add a little bit more to the budget? We installed a jacuzzi tub. Another feature that I love is the double sink. Yeah, the thing about me and Bobby is we do get ready at the same time because we go to work together at the clinic. So we thought it would be easier if we have two sinks. So there's no more standing shower here, we just left the bathtub there. Makes life a lot easier.
I think it's quite cute because like you can brush your teeth together.
So what are we gonna do today at work? Let me show you another reason why I don't need staycations anymore. Ta-da! Can you see what's special in this?
Okay, there's one sink.
Sink.
Oh, you have two shower heads!
Yeah, double showers, double sink, double showers. It's actually inspired by our Maldives honeymoon. The suite itself, it has a very interesting rain shower for couple showers. And then we really wanted to recreate that in our own house. So we actually proposed this to our ID and plumber. My most favorite feature is also this feature wall, the stone walls. All of them are also inspired by the natural stones that we keep seeing in Maldives.
Oh, so you brought it back?
Yeah, so nice. On to the next room. I know, right?
Someone in your house.
Yeah, this is my little Iron Man shrine. We try our best to personalize the space. More than just making a very glam, modern, elegant space, we wanted like a little bit of us in there as well. So me and Bobby, my husband, we really enjoy Marvel movies. Even this is like a hidden area, so let me just show you. I told you my husband is a movie fan. So, ta-da! Movie paraphernalia. So Iron Man has his friends all up there also. Welcome to the kitchen.
It's I'm stepping into another dimension.
This whole kitchen actually came about because of my parents. So before the renovation, as a wedding present, they bought me this Smack fridge. Yeah, it's so pink, right? It's so nice. So this room actually formed around it. Smack has this like very retro 70s, 60s retro vibe, right? This entire kitchen takes inspiration from this fridge. So you can see now like all the appliances I buy are only pink now.
Yeah.
Because of the fridge.
Just to fit in the whole
Just to fit in
entire
the theme. The American diners theme, like in the 70s, that kind of feeling. So I try to keep it to this color palette. And not only this kitchen extends to another place.
Oh! Oh my god.
This is where we keep all our food stuff.
Wow, I like everything is like named and properly like displayed.
The way I did it like this is like a grocery store.
Everything is here. What do you want?
So this previously was a bathroom, a toilet actually.
Oh.
So we removed the toilet and the sink and did it this way. We realized we don't really use it anyway. So when we were renovating this place, we didn't want to waste this area again.
So you converted it into a little mini mart.
Yeah, mini mart. Yeah, mini mart.
I would just stay in my kitchen all day.
Just show you something more. Ta-da!
Oh, wait.
Yeah, we don't touch these anymore. We just do this.
It's magic here.
Because we did it this way, I do realize I do cook more nowadays.
I'm a bad cook, but if my kitchen looks like this, I'll probably just DIY everything here with the waffles and everything. Thank you for showing me your house, Jules.
Most welcome.
It gives me inspiration. You see my other half next time you know what to do. Did you engage an ID for this?
Yes, we did. We actually engaged someone that many of our friends have tried before. It's amazing with what he came up with because all we did was just show him a couple of photos and then he could come up with something that not only fits the theme but fits our daily needs as well.
What's your biggest fear when you go into the whole renovation journey?
The cost, the budget, going over budget. So actually while we were renovating, I was watching a lot of those home decor programs and the common thing that keeps happening on the shows is they always go over budget, they will always find a problem. So this house is actually not brand new, it's a second-hand home. So this is something we're always worried about because a lot of the wires and cables are actually concealed in the walls. So you really never know what you're gonna find inside. In the end, something really did happen. So we did go over budget by a lot. So this house at that time was about 15 years old, but the electrician said according to his experience, he thinks that the wires should still be usable. The quotation came without rewiring and new wires. When they started removing the walls and like demolishing, they realized a lot of the wires were actually broken, spoiled, you cannot use them anymore. So that cost us a lot of money. I was so surprised. And also, of course, when they were hacking down certain walls, we realized there's water in the walls. And the water actually started leaking during renovation, leaked into our neighbors' homes. So that was quite a disaster. So we had to go to every neighbor and apologize, give them Ferrero Rochers, that's sorry. So these were all the extra costs. Because, you know, of all the programs we've been watching, we did set aside some money for it. But of course,
to buffer
all these buffers is not very nice. Like, you know, feel a bit sad because I wanted to use the money to buy more home decorations.
So if I were to say to give one advice to homeowners,
I would say don't follow trends. You know, this home renovation, the home itself is a big ticket item. You know, you can't keep changing like how we change clothes, right? Like, oh, you see this trend and you change. I feel that you should personalize it. In my home, that's what I did. And also, even though I say don't follow trends, I still love trends.
you like to switch things
I like to
around.
switch things up. So I made this really neutral so that, you know, during the year, like right now, I would consider it summer. This decorations here and also behind the fireplace is all my summer decorations. Right now, I think the trend is a lot of Zen, Balinese, you know, natural woods and materials. You can see it right here. So when you want to switch things up, it's a lot easier.
I heard you switch up like 4 different themes a year, is that true?
Yes, that's very true. So right now we're at summer theme, and then in 2 months' time it'll be Halloween. So you see a lot of cobwebs around here, spiders and cobwebs. And in another few months it'll be Christmas. So it'll be a bit more wintry with like, you know, fake snow here and there. And after that it's CNY, Chinese New Year, and then we're back to this again. So every year it's like that.
You know, because Juliana is also a content creator, so I've actually seen her Halloween design of a home before.
Stay tuned. I'm gonna plug my IG here. I love Bunny Net. Stay tuned.
We will. One last question. What's your favorite part of the house or favorite memory of this house?
Wow, tough question eh. I'll tell you my second favorite first is the vanity area where I get ready
I love
every
that
day.
too.
Yeah. But my most favorite is actually the double showers. Yeah. The place where I can unwind.
Have your own me time.
Yeah,
your
our own
time.
me time. And like think about our trip, you know, to the Maldives, and hopefully one day we can go back again. My most favorite area is actually this one at the back, the fireplace for
For the
like photo
photos.
shoots. Yeah, because I can change it up.
And
I
you
always
switch
wanted a
out
fireplace, since I was young. This is like a dream come true for me. So another favorite area of the house.
That's too many really nice for one. But thank you so much for bringing us through your house journey.
Thank you so much for coming.
I love it. Yeah, you can catch her on her social media as well. She puts a lot of her house photos there. That's all for the video and we'll see you next time.